Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Okay, and today I'm going to unbox the new
S22 Ultra.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the box. You can see Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it's in the burgundy color. As you can see, the color of the S. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here's the phone. I'm not too sure if you can see. Okay, here you go. That's the S22, sorry. S22 Ultra. There's the back cameras. And the front. Okay, let's uncover it. Okay, let's dive in. Uh, it comes with the S Pen. And let's put it on the side for a second. Let's see what's inside the box. It's just a menu and a SIM ejector. The SIM ejector, you can see, and what's inside: user manual and the charging cable, which is USB type C to USB type C. That's all. Let's put on the side. Let's power it up. Okay, it's a 50% right now, so I have to set it up. Let me set it up, and I'll come back as I set it up. One more thing, as I ordered a couple of some cases, which is I'm gonna show you. There's a one case here. It's it's a leather pouch case. I like it. I like the color, and it's soft inside, and you have some pocket for your cards and things. Also, you have like a camera protector over here, so it's nice. is the one cover. Case, I mean, there's another case here, which is silicone. No, it's not a silicone, it's a hard, but it's a clear case. It's hot clear case. The user menu, you can see there's a guide here. Okay, and you have a stand here. I don't know which side it's open. I think it's this side. It's a little bit hard. I think it's a click. I don't have any nail. So let me put it on. Let's see if this fit. Yeah, it's also have that holes in there to put some strings on it to hold it. I like this case. It's clear case. You can see your phone color, and it's nice cutout here. It's a whole module, which I don't like it, but it's safe. You can, if you want to put on the table like this, it's not gonna damage your lens. And I have to, okay, here you go. As you can see, it's a stand. It's very hard, so it's not gonna fall off. So you can put it like this, you can put it like this, as you need, like this. So yeah, it's nice. You have all cut out for your one thing I like it is your SIM card, like a SIM tray, is inside, so you don't worry, you don't have to worry about it. So poking the hole over here. So one hole is for SIM tray, and this is a mic. So make sure whenever you eject the SIM, so you have to poke this hole, not the mic. Here's a USB charging port, your speaker, there's a room for your S Pen, and you also have, look, you have those ear thingy corner, so if you fall down, it's very safe. I like this I like this case. It's very safe. You're not gonna damage your phone. Okay, let's put on the side. I like this case too, and also I like this case, which has that extra protection for your camera. Okay, one more. Here's a I order this also. What is inside here? It's a 2am film elastic screen protector, one piece of wet wipes, dust removal, alignment tool, mounting pad, instruction manual. Yep. And I'm gonna install this after, then I'm gonna show you. Maybe I'll make another video how to install it. I'm gonna install it first time, so I'm not gonna show. And here's another thing, I order it. I'm gonna show you what's inside. Here's the wipes, alignment tool. This is for your camera lens. This is for your camera lens. So I don't want to take it out yet. So I'm gonna take it out when I'm gonna install it. So okay guys, that's it for the day. I'm going to set up my phone, then I'll get back with another video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video if you like it. So till then, peace out.